Hello everybody.
Hi everybody. Today we are upgrading our RV shower head.
Hello everybody.
Hi everybody. Today we are upgrading our RV shower head with the Oxygenics shower head. It's guaranteed to never clog. It adds oxygen into your water, so you save more water, but it gives you more pressure. So we're going to test that out today. So let's go ahead and unbox the shower head and see what's in the box.
Right now?
First.
Like right now?
Like right now.
Yay! Here.
So that says 2 gallons per minute, so you get a 3-minute shower.
I'm lucky. Got the top open.
Alright.
Trying to get out the wash.
Pull it out here and see what's all in the box.
Yeah. Some pipes what we need to repair.
So here's the shower head.
And here's some.
And here's the water hose.
And here's the water hose connector.
Comes with some plumber's tape.
And some pipe.
And here's the connection where you turn it on and off. The on-off connection.
And here's a thingy majiggy. Is that it? Oh,
and here's the holder for the wall.
And here's some screws and tape.
Really tight.
And here's the instructions.
That's the paper if you have problems. We're not gonna have any problems.
Mama, the instructions are in here. Let me open this.
Oh, wait a minute. There's 2 big screws.
I'll open it.
There's some 3M double-sided tape. You don't need to cut that, babe. And that's the instructions for the wall mount holder.
Yeah, so what are you guys doing?
We will look at that.
We got this.
Right now we're going to go look at the shower. These are the tools I'm going to use. Right now we're going to go look at what we have, and we'll look at the end and see if there's a difference.
Yeah, so we're going to see if we can put this in. Connect it to our shower.
Yeah. Okay, so here's our existing shower. It's whatever came with the RV. It's an intra bath, and it's not terrible, really. You can see it works pretty well. It's got the little, you can turn it off right here on the handle, which it doesn't actually turn it all the way off.
And it's stopped up before.
Yeah, it has stopped up, and we are a family of 6, and 4 of us are females with long, thick hair. And to rinse our hair, rinse shampoo out of our hair, takes a long time and a lot of water. So that's why I wanted to try the new shower head. So let's get started here for now. Let's get this out. If we look at the box, yes, we want the smart pause valve right next to the shower head. So I'm just going to hook my hose in down there. Put this all together. Bring me the hose, Is. Okay, here's the I think it was the smart pause valve. And then all we have to do super simple. Let's see if we have any leaks.
Yeah.
So it still doesn't stop the water completely.
That's probably to let you know that it's on.
Alright. I do have a leak down here. I probably need to take that off and put the plumber's tape on it.
Take a shower there?
No.
Is she going to fix it?
Yes.
There's
Those are two-sided tape that give up. In 1997.
That was just some kind of a...
Mom, I'm going to get in.
No.
Oh, don't forget Mama's shoes, because you always need Mama's shoes.
Can you cover that up like that? Put it too high.
Yeah, hold the mount and see if you got enough room to lift the shower head out. That's the important part.
All right. Turn it down like this too. Better. Still.
How convenient.
It definitely needs to be way down there.
Yep.
Good call.
Out. That's perfect.
That's some heavy duty.
Sticky tape.
Doesn't seem like there's anything back there to screw.
There's not. You're only screwing to that fiberglass. Right on. That's a plumber. And there you have it.
There it is. There's off. There's on.
They only have one setting up there.
Yeah, I think so. I'm going to say it doesn't look to be any more powerful than what we had. But it's not going to clog, which the other one did. We had to clean that out. It got full of junk. And it's an upgrade. Right?
So next we get a tankless water heater.
Right? So there's our Oxygenics shower head.
Yay, shower head.
So that was the installation of our Oxygenics shower head. Really didn't look to be too much better than the old shower head, but that's okay. I'm going to try it out, and if nothing else, it's not going to clog, and I am happy with it. It was $32, I think, on sale on Amazon. And so there you go. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, click the like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll be putting out more videos more often as we get started on our full-timing journey.
If you like this video, be sure to click the like button. It'd be really awesome if you'd click on subscribe.